Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add fonts to Photoshop CC. Fonts are probably one of the most important details for design. In this tutorial we'll be looking at adding new fonts that we've downloaded from the web. The fonts that you download usually will come in a zip file. Unzip them and inside you'll find the font and some form of a text file with credits to the author. Double-click on the font file and click Install Font. If there are more than one font files, there is even a faster way to do this. Search for Font Book app and open it. Select the font files and drag them into the font book. If you get any dialog boxes, simply confirm them. Now if you start Photoshop and go to Add Text, your newly added fonts will be readily available there. What's your favorite font family? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.